Ingredients, bawang, sibuyas, carrot, repolyo, and then ang ating eggs. And all seasonings like pepper, salt, and magic sarap. Salt, pepper, and a little seasoning for this. Scramble lang natin siya. Finry ko na siya, hindi nakalimutan kong i-video. So, yan yung ating tofu. Ito natin isasalang yung ating egg. Lutuin muna natin yung ating repolyo with bawang sibuyas. Pagka lagay na natin ang ating repolyo. Nalagay na natin. Paminta. Oyster sauce. Egg, and then it's up. It's already cooked. Cook na yung ating budget ulam. And healthy pa, diba? So, alam nyo, kailangan lang talagang pasarapin yung mga gulay para kainin ng ating mga chikiting. So, nasa atin yun. So, look. This is delicious.